Let's now move to the right panel dedicated to properties. Here, all the information related to the selected element is displayed. The user can quickly modify fields such as name, part number, description, material, quantity, or price without opening each CAD file individually. When selecting a part or an assembly, Proactive Manager immediately displays the data that will be used in the bill of materials. It is also possible to quickly review information such as dimensions, position, mass, volume, weight, and center of gravity. Inside the Custom Data section, we can define additional and customized properties in a very simple way. We can also notice that if we change the color of a part directly inside Proactive Manager, the change is immediately updated inside the 3D scene as well. This demonstrates the direct integration between data management and the CAD environment. In the next video, we will analyze in greater detail the lower panel dedicated to the Bill of Materials grid. We have already covered several BOM-related functions in previous videos, which you can find on the channel.